for performing the water test, I had the misfortune of dropping the Samsung Galaxy J6 2018 on concrete ground. And as you can see, it suffered multiple fractures at the lower right corner, with some minute glass fragments coming out and a single crack going right to the top. This just goes to show the importance of using tempered glass on smartphones, because it has the ability to save the original tempered glass installed on the display. Even though the glass was shattered and compromised, I still went ahead with the water test the next day. So let's have a look at what happened. So starting the test on a broken screen for a change, let's check out the layer of oleophobic coating on the glass. An oleophobic layer on the protective glass helps in preventing fingerprint smudges. And on top of that, it gives a certain degree of water resistance in an otherwise non-water resistant phone which has no IP certification. The water tends to roll off the screen rather than sticking to it, as you can see, giving it some kind of protection. After this little water treatment, we will proceed to light splashing the J6, and if it survives, move on to heavy drenching. After performing several tests on a channel, the most common reaction to water is low distorted audio via the external speaker, which can last from a few seconds to several minutes, and few cases of random reboots to flickering displays. So let's find out what happens to the broken J6 2018. The audio was hit pretty soon after this little bathing as water entered the speaker port at the side. The Galaxy J6, similar to that of the J7 Pro, is very prone to water damage and could not reach the heavy drenching round. It fails the water test because unlike the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi 5, where the audio recovered almost instantly, the J6 2018 took about 15 minutes for the sound to come back to normal. So any kind of prolonged exposure to water can permanently damage the sound unit. Stay tuned for the bend test on the 6 plus 128GB Solar Red variant of the Oppo Realme 1. Thanks for watching, keep the peace, catch you next time.